Need to secure your FastMCP server with GitHub OAuth, but confused about how to configure the provider for proper discovery and operational endpoints? We'll set up a GitHubProvider with the correct issuer URL and base URL parameters, showing exactly how to separate discovery metadata at the root level from operational routes under your chosen path prefix. This pattern ensures OAuth flows work correctly while keeping your MCP endpoints organized under a clean URL structure. Auth equals GitHubProvider. Client ID equals your client ID. Client secret equals your client secret. Issuer URL equals root URL. Hash discovery metadata at root. Base URL equals F. Root URL mount prefix. Hash operational endpoints under prefix. This demonstrates the OAuth provider mounting pattern for integrating authentication in modular web services. The configuration separates authentication concerns from application logic by encapsulating provider-specific details, like GitHub OAuth, in a dedicated provider class, while maintaining clean routing separation between discovery endpoints and operational paths. The pattern works by establishing two distinct URL hierarchies: root-level discovery routes for OAuth metadata and prefixed operational routes for the actual service endpoints. The provider uses explicit base URLs and path prefixes to maintain RFC compliance while allowing flexible mounting within larger applications, with the issuer URL anchoring discovery at the domain root. This approach solves the common problem of integrating OAuth-protected services into existing applications without routing conflicts. It enables clean composition of microservices, where authentication remains provider-agnostic and mounting doesn't interfere with discovery requirements. The trade-off is slightly more complex initial setup for proper path separation, but this pays off in maintainable, standards-compliant deployments. Let's break it down line by line. Auth equals GitHubProvider. Instantiates a GitHub OAuth provider using the GitHubProvider class. This handles the OAuth 2 authentication flow, including token exchange and user validation, while abstracting GitHub-specific implementation details. Client ID equals your client ID. This is the OAuth client identifier, a public string that identifies your application to GitHub's OAuth server. It's required for the authorization flow, allowing GitHub to recognize which app is making the authentication request. Client secret equals your client secret. This is the OAuth 2 client secret for GitHub authentication. It verifies your application's identity during the token exchange, preventing unauthorized access to user data. Never commit the real secret to version control. Issuer URL equals root URL. Hash discovery metadata at root. This sets the OAuth 2 issuer URL, which is the base endpoint for discovering OpenID Connect metadata. GitHub's OAuth implementation requires this to locate authorization endpoints and validate tokens, following the standard OpenID Connect discovery protocol. Base URL equals F, root URL mount prefix, hash operational endpoints under prefix. This configures the operational endpoint base, URL, by combining the root domain with a mount prefix. GitHub's OAuth endpoints are served under this path, ensuring all API calls route correctly to the provider's mounted location. Closing parenthesis terminates the GitHubProvider instantiation, finalizing the OAuth configuration with the specified client credentials and endpoint URLs. This completes the authentication provider setup, making it ready for integration with your application's auth system. Mounted authentication pattern. The GitHub OAuth provider in FastMCP demonstrates how authentication systems can be cleanly separated from business logic while maintaining security, using distinct issuer and base URLs for discovery versus operational endpoints. The issuer URL must point to your root domain where OAuth metadata lives, while base URL specifies where the actual OAuth endpoints are mounted. Mixing these up creates 404 errors during discovery. This separation enables flexible deployment topologies without changing application code.
The server that serves two paths becomes invisible to both.